The Dell 02251 error indicates a checksum mismatch in the BIOS due to a failing CMOS battery, specifically the CR2032 type. This is what you might see when the error occurs. The checksum mismatch happens because the BIOS validates stored settings, but a failing battery corrupts this data. The CR2032 battery is a small lithium coin cell that powers the CMOS chip. Here you can see it installed on the motherboard. The CMOS chip stores BIOS settings and system time when the computer is powered off. When the battery is low, it causes data corruption, triggering the 0251 error. This can result in incorrect date and time, as well as loss of custom BIOS settings like boot order. First, confirm the error is related to the CMOS battery. Look for symptoms like an incorrect date time at boot. Access the BIOS settings, usually by pressing F2 during startup, to check for error messages related to the RTC or CMOS. You can also use Dell Diagnostics or HW Monitor to check the battery voltage if accessible. HW Monitor provides detailed information on battery voltage and health. The primary solution is to replace the CR2032 battery. These batteries are inexpensive and readily available at electronics stores. The replacement process varies. Desktops are generally easier, while laptops require disassembling the chassis. Consult your Dell model's service manual or online guides like iFixit for specific instructions. First, ensure your desktop computer is completely powered off and unplugged from the electrical outlet to prevent any risk of electric shock. Next, open the computer case by removing the side panel. This usually involves unscrewing a few screws or pressing release buttons, depending on your model. Locate the CR2032 battery on the motherboard. It's a small, coin-shaped battery, typically silver, and often labeled with a battery symbol or CR2032. Gently remove the old battery using a screwdriver or your fingers, depending on the retention clip. Be careful not to damage the motherboard. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the socket, making sure the positive side faces up. Double-check the orientation to avoid damage. Finally, close the computer case securely and reconnect the power. Power on your desktop and proceed to the BIOS reset step to complete the process. Begin by completely powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power sources to ensure safety during the replacement process. Next, consult your laptop service manual for model-specific disassembly instructions. Websites like iFixit provide detailed guides for safe access to internal components. Carefully disassemble the laptop following the service manual steps. This typically involves removing the bottom panel and other components to access the motherboard safely. Once the motherboard is exposed, locate the CR2032 battery. It is often secured with tape or a clip and may be positioned in a less visible area of the board. Remove the old CR2032 battery carefully. Insert the new battery, making sure to note the polarity. The positive terminal should face up, as indicated on the battery. Reassemble the laptop by reversing the disassembly steps. Once complete, power on the laptop and proceed to the BIOS reset step to finalize the fix. After replacing the CR2032 battery, reset the CMOS to clear any corrupted settings. Method 1. Remove the battery again and wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the capacitors to fully discharge. Method 2. Locate the CMOS reset jumper on the motherboard, usually labeled CLR CMOS or similar. Temporarily short the jumper pins to reset the CMOS. Always consult your motherboard manual for the exact location. After resetting the CMOS, power on the system and enter the BIOS setup by pressing F2 during boot. Configure the date, time, and boot order to ensure proper system operation. If hardware access is difficult or the battery is soldered, consider software alternatives. Some BIOS reset utilities can help bypass the error temporarily. More importantly, update your Dell's firmware to the latest version from Dell Support Assist or Dell Command Update. Newer firmware may have improved power management or battery-less timekeeping features. To prevent the Dell 0251 error from recurring, regularly check your CMOS battery every 2 to 3 years and enable BIOS auto-sync with internet time if available. Modern Dell systems are increasingly using longer-lasting rechargeable batteries and cloud-based time synchronization, significantly reducing the likelihood of this error in newer devices. Looking ahead, expect near elimination of this error in new devices through AI-driven diagnostics and open-source firmware options for customizable fixes in legacy systems.